Welcome back. The Rotary Club of Panjim Midtown distributed educational grants recently at a function held in the city. This year, the project covered over 300 needy students from Dayanand Arya High School, Neora, Ideal High School, Taligaon and Union High School, Chimbel.
The chairman of the Educational Grants Committee, Mr. Tanmay Kholkar, focused on the activities that are taken up by the grants project.
We took a very small step towards fulfillment of the Millennium Development Goals of the United Nations to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger on the planet through an achievement of universal primary and secondary education. We have more than 300 students now in this particular project which we are backing in terms of educational grants. These include basically pre-primary, primary, secondary, high secondary and professional education students, including medicine and engineering, who are benefiting from this project.
Speaking on the occasion, the Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Dr. Dilip Theobakar, stressed on the right to education for all.
The major theme on which the 11th plan education policy should be based should be access to education, equity, equal right of everyone to have an education if they are eligible for it, and of course we look for excellence. So that access, equity and excellence is something which we are looking up to. But having said that, it is not always easy to go to it in the modern days. When you talk about access and equity, excellence is all ours, all of you. You have to perform very well. You have to do very well not because you get scholarship. You have to do very well because you are good. And if you are good and if you do very well, nothing is impossible. Really, nothing is impossible.
Dr. Theobakar also exhorted the students to build up their confidence to face the world.
Something which is required. Something which is required because we always see one thing that's extremely important is the confidence, self-confidence. The only boundary condition is it should not be overconfidence. It should be confident that I can do it. I can do it to what exactly level that I can maximum put my efforts and do it. And once I do it, I know that I have no problem.
The career guidance expert and the zonal vice president of the club, Mr. Raghunath Gavas, shared some secrets of achieving success.
Do hard work. Your determination, your devotion, your dedication, your commitment, your involvement will go a long way in your success. Heights of a great man were not achieved by sudden flights, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards overnight. I appeal to all of you to put in hard efforts and success will be yours.
Some of the recipients of grants expressed their gratitude towards the Rotary organization for this noble gesture.
Hey everyone, I'm Sneha from People's High Secondary and the ex-student of Union High School. I'm thankful to Rotary Club of Panjim Midtown for helping me to study further and assure you that I will do my best and make you all feel the worth of what you have done for me, and I also look forward for your financial support in my further studies.
Respected chief guests, members of the Rotary Club of Panjim Midtown, teachers and their friends. I am Apurva Sutta. I am studying in second year BSc at MP College, Miramar. I am a beneficiary since last 9 years, and I am really very thankful to Rotary Club for helping me in continuing my studies. They have not only helped me, but many more students to overcome the financial difficulties they are facing in continuing their studies. Not only me, but my sister, who is presently studying engineering science, they have helped her also to overcome this problem. So I can't say anything more, but I'm really very, very thankful and grateful for you all.
I first of all thank Vijay and Tanmay for selecting me for this scholarship and continuing my studies. I also thank Rotarian members.
The grants on behalf of the students were received by the principals of the respective schools.
And now for the movies that were released at the Inox.
Mission Istanbul cast Vivek Oberoi, Shriya Saran, Zaid Khan, Sunil Shetty, Shabir Aluwalia. Director Purva Lakhia. Vikas Sagar is one of the most promising journalists in the country. Ovais Hussain, who heads a controversial Istanbul-based news channel, makes him an offer to join the channel for an outrageous salary and other perks. This offer couldn't have come at a better time for Vikas, who was undergoing a painful divorce with his wife Anjali. But little does he know that one decision will change his life forever. When he voices his plans to quit the channel, he is reminded by Turkish commando Rizwan Khan how others who quit had been bumped off because they knew too much. It's up to Vikas Sagar and Rizwan Khan to bring down Ovais Hussain.
It's very good.
Yeah, and how were the characters playing in the movie?
Characters, Vivek operated a very good role.
It was not that okay.
Not that okay.
No,
And
I didn't
how were
like
the
it.
characters playing in the movie?
Characters were good.
And where would you rate the movie on the scale of 1 to 10?
About 8.
Money Hai To Honey Hai. Cast Govinda, Aftab Shivdasani, Selina Jetli, Hansika Motwani, Isha Kopikar, Upen Patel and Ravi Kishan. Director Ganesh Acharya. This film deals with 6 individual characters. Bobby, who is a happy-go-lucky guy who runs away from home to prove himself right. Lalabai, who becomes wealthy after winning 1 crore rupees in a lottery. But he's back on the roads as his business fails and he loses all his money. Gaurav, a copywriter, is fired from his job. Manik is a struggling model who sleeps with a middle-aged fashion designer, hoping to make it big. Ashima Kapoor is a successful TV star, but she's not happy with her career and is desperate to do films as a leading heroine. Shruti is a struggling dress designer. One fine day, they all get an SMS informing them that they are owners of a 1,000 crore company. However, their happiness does not last for long as their lawyers inform them that there's a loan of 1,200 crore on the company and they must repay it immediately. Until then, they would be kept under house arrest.
Good time pass, not so great.
And how was Govinda's role in the movie?
Fantastic. His role is
Yeah, and which was the interesting part in the movie?
when they are uniting all the peoples all together. That's the good points in that.
Not that good. It was sort of a drag. It didn't go anywhere. That's it.
How was Aftab's role in the movie?
Okay, I guess.
That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Bharatiya Janata Party to select candidates from among their cadre only. Nationalist Congress Party to contest impending by-elections at Pale. Student cell of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress to survey colleges. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, it's goodbye and good night.